Manipur ki Thokliba HINGSHA ki Thoudok Asida Government of India na Tuminna Leiriba Asi Loilam Shandokpagi Mami ni HAINA Manipur ki MP Dr. ANGOMCHA BIMOL AKOIJAM na House THAMKHRE Ngarang ahing nongyay pung taranitoy tarakataba sub na minute ni pan khaktamak ngairak pa amadi House adjourn tawgadaba mikup khara khaktamak ngairak matamda Dr. ANGOMCHA BIMOL AKOIJAM da wangang gi khudong chaba piki India ki President Draupadi Murmu na thamkibu wafam nei narak paduda BIMOL AKOIJAM na hai President ki warol da Manipur ki wafam na thairamba du chumna gi wahai khak na thairamba natana Manipur miyam bu na thairamba ni hai na lawgani Housing Manipur ki miyoi lising humpuram relief camp ta chahi ma hena awa pakhang tuna lakle Mi chani hena sikre set asida civil war gi mawongda kanglup anina masagi khungang kannana bagi da khulai paiduna amana amabu laman khumna tuna leiri adubu Manipur gi housing oriba phibam asida Prime Minister na Tuminna Leiri President na House thamki warol adu da sukaring wafum amada pankide thawng asi leibak amana masagi mi singda chathaba yamna lusitaba thawng ni haina lawgani haina mahak na House thamki Manipur da Thokliba irang asi matang the Government of India na Tuminna Leiriba Asi Central Government gi mathau na te khanra haina hangna BIMOL AKOIJAM na makhata na hai Asok Chakra Fangkraba Major Laisham Jotin Manipuri ni Major Ngangam Jaidata lepak asi mathau tawbada Bir Chakra Fangkrabani lepak asi gi dama kathoklaba miyoi sing asi lengang na ikai khumna de takpani lepak asi gi mingchat purakhiba Mericom Sarita Punjarani amasung Mirabai Chanu loinana Culture ki tomthi noina Leiriba Ratan Thiam amasung Indian cinema gi masakuliba aribam siam saramana chingmasing kari sumathau tade haiduna ikai khumnadabani karingma makoi sing asida ikai khumnaba leirabadi House asida natraga President ki address ta Manipur irang asi wafam pukhalamgadabani haina makna phongduki India na ning tamachayi umbudra mga surba fawba Loilam Shandokpagi Mami adu Manipur da kokhantriba karigino ngasi so awang nongpok lamdam se India ki textbook ki manung chanhan bangamdri masina maram oiraga awang nongpok lamdam se tungan bani haina lauri amaromda hojik Manipur da thokliba irang asida India lengang na Tuminna Leiriba Asi matam amagi Loilam Shandokpagi mawong adu makha chatharakpani haina lawi Manipur miyoi lising humfu relief camp da leiba amadi miyoi kya sikhiba adu ki matangda kari leibagi haina India lengang na phongtoraklabadi mahak Tuminna leigani haina Dr. ANGOMCHA BIMOL AKOIJAM na makhata na phongduki
A nationalist party like the BJP will feel comfortable with their silence on the tragedy of Manipur. Keep your hands on your heart and think about the 60,000 people who are linguistic in relief camps. And those mothers, those widows, think of them. And then you talk about nationalism.
Point is made. He made
Only
his point.
then we will understand what this tragedy means. And Mr. Chairman, the hurt, the anger has thrown a nobody like me to be part of this temple of democracy. Bidding the BJP cabinet minister think about the pain. If you hear an anxiety, anguish and pain in my voice, please go back and see those 60,000 people linguisting in the relief camp. Don't talk about partition remembrance till you bring that. I would keep quiet the moment the Prime Minister opened his mouth and the Nationalist Party says that Manipur is part of India and we care for the people of that state. Only then I will accept what is nationalism in our face. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.